Welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today we are going to test out the Bandsaw Magic S-curve cut technique, where you cut a S-curve in a piece of wood and you tape it back together, flip it, and do another S-curve. And then when you're done, you can flip them around and it'll turn this straight piece of wood into an S-curve piece of wood. So we're going to give that a try today. Let's see how it turns out. It should be fun. I glued together some plywood to do this test with. So it should have some interesting patterns, I guess. We'll see. So I'm going to mark out my S-curves. Not perfect, but something like that. Then on this one, I think I'll go this way. So you start in the top of the wood and you end at the bottom. You don't come out the sides. You got to maintain it within the bounds. So let's cut it and see how it turns out. I'll probably speed this part up because it's probably going to take me a little while with this blade. It's not a very aggressive blade, so. Okay, that's the first cut made. So what you do is tape the sides, tape it back together, and then cut the second part, which I will also speed up because it is very slow at cutting with this blade. But that's okay. That's what the time speed up thing is for. Now for the second cut, here we go, time lapse. Okay, so get the tape off. What you do is you number the four corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make that as a corner. Sure, we know which one's a corner. And so the straight piece of wood, you tape and flip right the two pieces. And then what you're going to do is flip these pieces on each side. And then put them back together. And what do you have? An S-shaped piece of wood. So And then you'll see the corners all came together. So what I'm going to do, I'll glue this up and we'll take a look at it. But yep, that's how you make a S-shape piece of wood from a straight block. Seems to have worked rather well. I'm going to glue it up and I'll get back with you. And there we have it. Taking a square block of wood and converting it into a wavy shape just by 2 simple cuts and some gluing up in a different order. It does indeed work. It comes out with a pretty neat design. Thank you, Bandsaw Magic, for the idea. Next time I'll have to do it with a different blade. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Just a fun little experiment. I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And as always, God bless, friends. Until next time.